everyone, my name is Kelsey Lowery and I work for the Center for Teaching and Learning at North Arkansas College. And today I'm going to show you how to get on a Zoom meeting. Normally, when someone hosts a Zoom meeting, they will send you an invitation to whatever calendar your organization uses. North Ark uses Outlook, so this is what an Outlook calendar Zoom invitation looks like. And so you're just going to click on this Join Meeting and open Zoom. Now, if you have never used Zoom before, it will prompt you to download its capabilities, and so you'll just need to follow the script to download it, and then it will take you back to that open Zoom screen. So you're going to join with computer audio. And then down here is going to be your menu ribbon. So here's our little microphone, and that's how you mute and unmute yourself. So when it's showing green like it is right now, you are talking and everybody in the Zoom conference can hear you. When you click it and it's got the little slash through it, you are muted and nobody else can hear you. So the video is the same way. When the little slash is through the video, obviously nobody sees you, but then you can click on Start Video. So you will need a webcam. Any kind of webcam will work. So then you can go down here, you can invite participants here, you can manage your participants here, you can share your screen if you're the host. Sometimes the host will enable multiple people to share their screen, which allows all of the conference attendees to share their screen at the same time if they're collaborating. So then you would just click on Share Screen. You would click on Screen up here and then Share. So now you're viewing my screen double. And up here is your share menu. You can stop share here. You can chat here. And it sends this to everyone in the group. So you can just say hi, and it'll send a chat to everybody. And then you have the option to record, and then here you would end the meeting. If you're not the host, it'll say leave meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and end that. End meeting for all. Lita. Okay, so there's another way you can join the meeting as well. There is a meeting ID. Everybody has one that has an account. So you can just copy that and go to this here and click on, this is what Zoom looks like, so click on Join a Meeting. And then it wants that personal meeting ID, so you just paste that in there and then click Join. Open Zoom. Join with computer audio and start your video. And that's about it. Thank you guys. Have a good day.